What if OpenAI no longer needed Nvidia? Today, they just partnered with Broadcom to build custom AI chips, and that could change the power game forever. Yes, the company behind ChatGPT is now designing hardware. This deal could rewrite who controls the future of AI compute. Here's what we know. OpenAI and Broadcom are building AI accelerators, not just using GPUs, but their own architecture. The goal? Reduce cost, gain control, and push boundaries. They plan to deploy 10 gigawatts of capacity. That's equivalent to powering millions of homes. But the real question? Can OpenAI catch up to Nvidia's decades of chip know-how? Analysts are skeptical. Building chips is one thing, manufacturing and scaling is another. OpenAI must overcome huge design, yield, and fabrication hurdles. But if they succeed, OpenAI could control its entire stack, model plus software plus hardware, and reshape the AI race entirely. In short, this isn't just a partnership, it's a bet, a gamble on OpenAI's future, and the future of AI itself. If you want to see how this unfolds, hit subscribe and tap the bell. You won't want to miss our next deep dive.